Hi everyone, I have some items here from colorfuldiy.com. They reached out to me and asked if I would do another collaboration with them. I have worked with them in the past and I agreed, and I found these really cute little notebooks that I'm really excited about. So these are listed as Zodiac notebooks. So of course I had to get the piggy. Sunny Boy's going to love it. It is blank inside. The pages are like a cream, and they're probably like the thickness of like printer paper. And it comes with your little starter kit. So here's your pin to pick up your little drill bits, and then there's the tray for you to empty your little drill bits, and then the wax you're going to stick in this end of the pin right here, so you can go ahead and pick up those pieces. And then, of course, these are my favorite. These are rhinestone drill bits. If you are going to get started with doing diamond paintings, I highly recommend looking and seeing if they use these little rhinestones. You are just going to love them so much more. Oh, look, this white has an iridescence to it. It just really brings out a little extra something in the diamond paintings that you do. So I always try to get the ones with the rhinestone. So there's a little piggy there, and then you can see like right here on his forehead and around like this little necklace piece, these are like little different shapes. They're not all just circles, so that's really nice. You can see like here's, you know, these big old orange ones, and that's the letter B, so that's this stone right here in the middle of his forehead. So yeah, they're gonna just be really pretty. And then I got a tiger, so I just thought this one was pretty. My zodiac is an ox, and they did have the ox, but I like the tiger better, so I went with the tiger. So let's open this one up. And then I did get a dragon, because I couldn't remember what Sunny Boy's zodiac is. So the Chinese New Year's in February, and Sunny Boy was born in January. So I think he's technically the year before Chinese New Year's zodiac. So not the one of the actual year he was born in. So I always forget what he is, and I always have to re-look him up. So I just thought this little tiger was super cute. And you see he has like a big old gem right here, and then these right there, and then these gems down here. So let's find what those gems look like. So this one is also in a rhinestone theme. Let's see. So like the big one on his chest, on his forehead, is D. So here are the D little rhinestones. So see, that's going to look gorgeous. So yeah, like I said, I always look. Oh, look at those gold ones. What letter is that? B. Oh, B for his feet. Is that right? Yeah, that goes there. Interesting. I would have thought they were C. So what's C? Oh, C is these white ones. Those are pretty. So those are going to be the ones around the neck. So yeah, like I said, I always try to go for the rhinestones. I just think they're absolutely beautiful. And then here is our little dragon right here. Let me double check. Are they all the same on the inside? Yeah, they're all this cream with this lightweight paper. So I'll come back and I'll show you guys what these look like once they're all completed. Alright guys, so I got these all done now. So here is my dragon little book. Super cute. Loving it. Here is the piggy. Now I do kind of wish that the dragon had more rhinestones like the pig does. So here you can see the piggy is completely covered in rhinestones. So I might go back in and just put glue down and then go ahead and fill it in a little bit more, because I just think he'd be really cute. And then with like his little eyes with the little blue. So I think I'm going to just go ahead and bling him up some more, because I do have a lot of extra rhinestones. That's the one good thing about when you buy these. You do end up with a lot of extra little rhinestones for you to use for another project. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just try to fill him in. And then look at the tiger. Oh my gosh, this one is my favorite. I think he came out so stinking cute. I'm going to keep this one for myself. This one is going to Sunny Boy. So then I'm going to ask my mom if she wants to go ahead and take the dragon, since there is 3 of those. And then I always seal my diamond painting. So this is a sealer right here that I do use. I've tried other brands and not all of them work. So just be aware of, you know, always read the reviews and see what they say. So this one I know works because I'm already like more than halfway done with this one. And then I did try this one as well. This one was also new to me, and this one did work as well. So these are the 2 that I do have in my stash right now that I do know for a fact do work. And what it does, it gives it like a shiny, glossy finish. It doesn't yellow. And then, like you can see, I can actually like push these around with my nail like very easily, and they'll just pop off. Where once you seal it, it kind of helps just glue it down to whatever it is. So in this case, it's going to help glue it down to the book. And then, you know, it'll just be a little bit better. So, all right, you guys, that's our video for today. I'll leave a link down below so you guys go check out their website, check out these products. I hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.